All right, so I got humbleized here. This is Daddy Jack's Cold with the Blues. I made an omelet. I was trying to get cute with it, you know, trying to show everybody at home how to do it. So everybody, you know, I got so much negative flack and feedback, but I'm going to show you I do know how to make an omelet. So we're going to put some tomatoes. Bacon. I was going to do 2 eggs, but I'm just going to I'll do 3. Heat them up real good. I used to work at the Fairmont Hotel. Well, here in Hartford, we did a brunch. I used to do almost 200 omelets on a Sunday brunch. And Dallas at the Fairmont, we do like 800 or 900, 2 of us. So I don't want to hear any slack that Daddy Jack doesn't know how to make omelets. All you naysayers out there. Okay, rule number 1, never use metal in a Teflon. Never overheat your skillet. That way you can preserve the life. So you want to chase it around a little bit till it's set. Okay, like right there. Close. I love American cheese. I don't care what anybody says. I like a lot of different cheese. I do love American. Turn it over a little bit. A little bit more. We're going to do the cheese too. We got non-stick, baby. Like Shady Glen over here. They do all the cheese and it's nice, comes out nice golden brown. Yep. Look at that on the bottom. Look at that. Beautiful. Yep. Okay, right on the oven or in the broiler. We're going to the broiler with it. One minute under the broiler, we'll be ready to roll. All right, let's check it out. Oh yeah. Look at the heat coming off it. Perfect. I think I redeemed myself, Glenn. What do you think?
I think so.
All right, so we can move on to the next recipes down the road here. We got that recorrected just like we recorrected the mayonnaise that was up there. We had a little snafu. But it's Daddy Jack's Cold with the Blues here. Beautiful downtown New London, Connecticut. Groton, Navy Base, EB, Pfizer, Amtrak, ferries to Long Island. We got the Hygienic Arts, with a new amphitheater. We're doing a lot of live music. Guard Arts Center. We got local artists and musicians, and such a great town, little town. We call it a little town on the Thames. But come visit us sometime. Peace.